Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks, and this is going to help very few, and this is off the chart. My mathematical guru sent me this. Earlier today, I needed to find the center of a circle that was not complete, and if you look, and if you hit P, it doesn't go to the center of it is not really in the center. Because if we make this a complete circle, you can see it's off. So I'm going to hit P now and then make it a semicircle, but it doesn't appear to be in the center because it's taking an effect of this. And I don't know how this works, but I read his instructions and it's pretty weird that this works. Take a line and really at any angle, which is the part I don't understand. I'm going to break it apart. I'm going to break that apart. And then I'm going to grab those nodes and go up to object and break the curve apart so those lines are individual. And then rotate this 90 degrees. Take this one and rotate it 90 degrees. And if I couldn't believe that it finds the center. My indexing lines are in the center. But like I said earlier, Corel thinks this is the center of that. So there would be no other way. So if you want to take a closer look at this, hold on for just a second. You can pause your video and how that happens or why. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.